So we turned up at this house, and this old Honeywell wireless room stat is not doing its job. It is now, but it's a bit temperamental. Turn it up. See? It's coming on. So it's a bit of a weird one. But the customer said, let's go ahead and replace it anyway. So what we've got is a new TimeGuard programmable stat. Wireless digital thermostat with night setback. So let's put this in. First things first, let's knock the boiler off, power to it. And then let's get this off the wall. Just pull it off. It all looks okay in there. And this is the terminals. Right, so what we've got in here is a decent amount of cabling. Live and neutral, no earth connected, and that red and black will be your signal wires, which is 24 volt to the boiler, because this Valent boiler, it gives a 24 volt signal, so this will be fine. Right, and then we've got this. So let's unpack this. Get it open, and what we've got in here, 2 new batteries, and then this wants to go basically on here. So a couple of screws at the bottom. Undo them completely, really, so you don't fall out. That is going to have to get knocked out so we can get it on. And then live, neutral, common, normally closed, normally open. So these ones will be the switch. So we want normally closed. There we go. Ah, great. Great, great, great. So we're going to get that to go into there. We'll have that one, and then we'll put a new screw hole there. That's what we will do. And if we look in here, we've got 24 volt room thermostat, neutral, live, and the yellow is connected onto the earth, but not the other end, so we'll connect that as well. Get that in there nice and neat. We'll clip it up the centre. Just so it's not going anywhere. We'll have your common, which is this one. Screw size too big. We'll have that one. Common. Pointless do and get it. your common, and then normally closed, which when we send the signal, that means it should open. No, hang about, I got it wrong. We want it normally open, so then when it sends a signal, it will close. That will be better. There we go. And then you're live. Go into the live. And there. And then your neutral. In the neutral. That'll be the live supply to the actual wireless receiver bit. And then now we want to get this to have the batteries in. So take that cover off. We'll put the batteries in there. And that one in there. Cover back on. Oh. And there we go, it's 10 degrees in here. So we're saying it's 12 degrees or 12.2 degrees centigrade in the garage. So we want to stick it up to say 20, because this will go in the house, and that's what we want to keep the house at. So it will flash. When it stops flashing, it will say call for heat, and the red light will come on, send a signal to the boiler for the boiler to start running. And now all we've got to do is fix this in the house to a convenient place where they want the thermostat.